Flying high amidst tensions, how the RQ-7B Shadow is key to surveillance in the Middle East. Recently, the United States military took the strategic step of deploying the RQ-7B Shadow drone to the Middle East region, marking one of the latest implementations of advanced technology in military surveillance. The deployment of the RQ-7B Shadow is an important highlight in the U.S. efforts to maintain stability and security in a region that often experiences tension. The RQ-7B Shadow, with its sleek design and powerful flight capabilities, is now the eyes and ears for troops on the ground. Equipped with a range of advanced sensors, the drone is capable of providing invaluable real-time information to respond to the ever-changing dynamics of the situation in the Middle East.
And here is for the Raven. The Raven is for a squad-sized element.
In recent years, the region has become a focal point of geopolitical tensions, with conflicts and threats frequently arising. By deploying the RQ-7B Shadow, the U.S. military seeks to gain an information advantage that can inform strategy and operational decisions in the region. The RQ-7B Shadow's airborne presence allows for more intensive monitoring of enemy movements, as well as detecting suspicious activity that may not be observed with traditional methods. This provides a significant advantage in mission-critical surveillance and reconnaissance in conflict areas. Not only that, with its long flight duration and wide range, the RQ-7B Shadow can surveil larger areas in less time. This increases the military's operational effectiveness by providing more comprehensive and rapid data for analysis. The use of these drones is also part of a broader strategy to minimize risks to military personnel. By relying on unmanned technology, the risks faced by soldiers in the field can be reduced, while improving intelligence gathering capabilities. In execution, the RQ-7B Shadow is launched from a variety of locations, including vehicles and portable launch stations that enable high mobility and flexibility. This ensures that the drone can be deployed as needed in various terrains and situations. One of the outstanding features of the RQ-7B Shadow is its ability to operate in a variety of weather conditions, including the severe weather that often plagues the Middle East region. This ensures that surveillance missions remain effective even in less than ideal conditions. The drone operators have access to highly detailed visual and sensor data, including optical and infrared images, which allows them to make more accurate assessments of the situation on the ground. This gives the U.S. military an invaluable intelligence advantage. By deploying the RQ-7B Shadow, the U.S. is also demonstrating its commitment to continuously developing and applying the latest technologies in military operations. These innovations not only enhance surveillance capabilities but also reflect the military's adaptation to the demands of modern operations. The presence of these drones in the Middle East is also part of the effort to support alliances and partners in the region. By providing accurate and relevant data, the RQ-7B Shadow contributes to the collective effort to maintain regional security. Military analysts view the presence of RQ-7B Shadow as a strategic move that can provide tactical advantages in various combat scenarios. It helps in planning and executing military operations more efficiently. While advanced technologies like the RQ-7B Shadow continue to evolve, the challenges faced in the Middle East remain complex and diverse. However, with the support of this technology, the U.S. military can meet those challenges better and more informed. Successful use of the RQ-7B Shadow also depends on effective integration with other military systems, including command and control centers. Good coordination between these various elements ensures that the data collected can be optimally utilized. With its ongoing surveillance mission, the RQ-7B Shadow is becoming an integral part of the U.S. strategy in the Middle East. It is not just about monitoring the situation, but also about anticipating threats and responding to them more quickly and effectively. The personnel operating the RQ-7B Shadow have a key role to play in ensuring that these drones function properly and provide accurate data. In a broader context, the use of the RQ-7B Shadow reflects a global trend in modern warfare, where unmanned technology is increasingly playing a dominant role. This technology not only enhances operational capabilities but also strengthens the U.S. position in maintaining global security.